I've sailed on dozens of cruise ships over the years, and the Celebrity Millennium definitely caught my attention. This ship has been quietly making waves since its major renovation, and after spending a week aboard, I can see why seasoned cruisers keep coming back. Let me be honest with you, Celebrity Millennium isn't trying to be the biggest or flashiest ship on the seas. Instead, it focuses on doing the fundamentals really well. The ship carries about 2,200 guests, which means you get that sweet spot between having plenty of amenities and not feeling like you're in a floating shopping mall. The first thing you notice when you board is the elegant lobby with its stunning glass sculpture. It sets the tone for what Celebrity calls modern luxury, and I have to say, they've nailed that balance between sophisticated and approachable. Now let's talk about where you'll be sleeping, because honestly this can make or break your cruise experience. Celebrity Millennium offers 4 main categories of staterooms, and each has its own personality. Interior staterooms are surprisingly spacious for rooms without windows. At about 170 square feet, they're not cramped like some other cruise lines. The beds are comfortable, storage is adequate, and the bathroom layout actually makes sense. If you're someone who spends most of their time exploring the ship anyway, these rooms offer solid value. Ocean view staterooms bump you up to around 175 square feet and give you that precious window to the outside world. There's something magical about waking up to ocean views, even if the window doesn't open. The extra natural light really does make the room feel bigger and more welcoming. But here's where Celebrity Millennium starts to shine: the balcony staterooms. These babies are about 191 square feet inside with an additional 42 square foot private veranda. Having your own outdoor space on a cruise ship is a game changer. Whether you want morning coffee with ocean views or a quiet evening drink under the stars, that balcony becomes your personal retreat. The suites are where Celebrity really shows off. The Sky Suites offer 251 square feet plus a 79 square foot veranda, complete with premium amenities and priority boarding. The Royal Suites are even more impressive at 538 square feet with 195 square foot verandas. These come with butler service, which honestly feels a bit fancy for a cruise, but hey, if you're splurging, why not go all the way? One thing I appreciated across all room categories is the attention to detail. The bedding is high quality, the shower pressure is actually decent, and there's enough storage space that you're not living out of a suitcase for the entire cruise. Let's move on to food, because let's face it, dining can make or break your cruise experience. Celebrity Millennium takes its food seriously, and it shows in both variety and quality. The main dining room serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with rotating menus that actually change throughout your cruise. The food quality is consistently good, not just cruise ship acceptable. The service staff remembers your preferences after the first night, which is a nice touch that makes you feel like more than just another passenger. The Ocean View Cafe is your typical buffet setup, but it's organized better than most. Instead of one massive free-for-all, it's divided into different stations that keep the crowds manageable. The pizza station serves surprisingly good slices throughout the day, and the grill section does decent burgers and hot dogs. For specialty dining, Murano offers fine French cuisine in an elegant setting. The prices are steep for cruise ship dining, but the quality justifies the splurge for a special night out. The service is attentive without being stuffy, and the wine list is impressive. The Tuscan Grille brings Italian flavors with a focus on grilled meats and fresh pasta. It's more casual than Murano, but still feels special. The outdoor seating area is perfect for dinner under the stars, assuming the weather cooperates. Sushi on 5 serves fresh sushi and Asian fusion dishes. While it's not going to compete with your favorite sushi spot back home, it's solid for a cruise ship. The steak selection is limited but decent, and the atmosphere is relaxed and modern. The bars scattered throughout the ship serve quality cocktails without the watered-down taste you sometimes get on cruises. The Martini Bar is particularly popular for pre-dinner drinks, and the Sky Bar offers great views along with your beverages. Celebrity's partnership with real wine experts shows in their wine program. The selections are thoughtful, not just the cheapest options they could find. The wine tastings are actually educational and fun, not just sales pitches disguised as entertainment. Pool areas on cruise ships can either be relaxing retreats or chaotic splash zones, and Celebrity Millennium manages to offer both without them interfering with each other. The main pool area strikes a good balance between activity and relaxation. The main pool is large enough for actual swimming, not just standing around in chlorinated water. The The surrounding deck has plenty of lounge chairs that aren't crammed together like sardines. Finding a spot isn't usually a problem unless you're cruising during peak season. The adults-only Solarium is where this ship really shines. This indoor-outdoor pool area feels like a resort within the ship. The retractable roof means you can enjoy the space regardless of weather, and the atmosphere is noticeably more peaceful than the main pool area. The hot tubs are actually hot, which sounds basic but isn't always guaranteed on cruise ships. They are well maintained and spacious enough that you're not sitting on someone's lap unless you want to be. The pool deck doesn't have water slides or splash zones, which might disappoint families with young kids but creates a more mature atmosphere. Instead of focusing on high-energy water activities, the emphasis is on relaxation and enjoying the ocean views. The sun deck areas provide plenty of space for reading, napping, or just watching the world go by. The deck chairs are comfortable, and there are enough covered areas to escape the sun when needed. When it comes to staying active and entertained, Celebrity Millennium offers enough variety to keep most people happy without overwhelming you with choices. The fitness center is well equipped with modern machines and free weights. The gym overlooks the ocean, which makes treadmill sessions significantly more bearable. It's spacious enough that you're not waiting in line for equipment, and the staff keeps everything clean and well maintained. They offer fitness classes throughout the day, from yoga to spin classes. The sports deck includes a basketball court that doubles as a volleyball court depending on the day's activities. It's regulation size, not some tiny afterthought, so you can actually play real games instead of just shooting around. The jogging track circles the ship on an upper deck, giving you ocean views while you run. At about 1/3 of a mile per lap, it's long enough for a decent workout. The track is well maintained and clearly marked with distance markers. For evening entertainment, the theater hosts production shows that are genuinely entertaining. The performers are talented, the costumes are elaborate, and the sound system actually works properly. These aren't community theater productions, they're professional shows that happen to be on a cruise ship. The casino is spacious without being overwhelming, with a good mix of table games and slot machines. The dealers are friendly and patient with newcomers, and the atmosphere is lively without being too smoky or loud. Live music venues throughout the ship offer everything from jazz to contemporary covers. Musicians are skilled professionals, not just people who happen to own instruments. The acoustics in most venues are surprisingly good for a ship. The spa and wellness facilities on Celebrity Millennium deserve special mention because they go beyond the typical cruise ship massage parlor setup. The Ranch SpaClub is a legitimate wellness destination that happens to be at sea. The spa menu includes everything from basic massages to specialized treatments you'd find at high-end resort spas. The treatment rooms are spacious and peaceful, with ocean views that add to the relaxation factor. The therapists are skilled professionals who take their work seriously. The thermal suite includes a steam room, sauna, and heated ceramic loungers that provide a perfect way to unwind. Access costs extra, but if you're looking to truly relax during your cruise, it's worth the splurge. The quiet atmosphere and limited capacity mean you're not fighting crowds for space. Fitness classes go beyond basic aerobics to include specialized programs like Pilates and meditation sessions. The instructors are knowledgeable and accommodate different skill levels without making beginners feel out of place. The salon services are comprehensive, offering everything from basic haircuts to full spa packages. The stylists understand that cruise ship hair challenges are real. Humidity, wind, and salt air require different approaches than your usual routine. Celebrity Millennium welcomes families, and they've put thought into making kids genuinely happy rather than just occupied. The kids' club areas are spacious and well-designed, with age-appropriate activities that go beyond just parking children in front of screens. The younger kids area includes arts and crafts, games, and supervised activities that encourage creativity and social interaction. The staff members are trained to work with children and seem to genuinely enjoy their jobs, which makes a huge difference in the quality of care. Teen areas provide age-appropriate spaces where older kids can hang out without feeling like they're in a daycare center. The activities are designed to be engaging rather than just time fillers, and teens can participate as much or as little as they want. Family-friendly amenities throughout the ship include connecting staterooms for larger families and kid-friendly menu options that go beyond chicken nuggets and pizza. The main dining room staff is patient with young diners and happy to accommodate special requests. The ports and shore excursions offered through Celebrity Millennium provide genuine value rather than just tourist traps with cruise ship markups. The excursion staff knows their destinations and can recommend options based on your interests and activity level. Popular itineraries include Alaska, where the ship's size allows access to smaller ports that larger vessels can't reach. The scenic cruising through places like Glacier Bay provides spectacular views from multiple deck levels. Caribbean routes focus on less crowded ports alongside popular destinations, giving you a good mix of familiar attractions and new discoveries. The shore excursion options range from cultural experiences to adventure activities, with clear descriptions of difficulty levels and time requirements. Mediterranean cruises showcase the ship's ability to dock in historic ports where larger ships must anchor offshore. This means more time exploring and less time dealing with tender boats and transportation logistics. The shore excursion booking process is straightforward, and the staff provides honest assessments of what each tour includes. They're not just trying to sell the most expensive options, they actually want you to choose excursions you'll enjoy. After spending a week on Celebrity Millennium, here's my honest assessment of what works and what doesn't. The ship excels at creating a sophisticated atmosphere without being pretentious or stuffy. The service throughout the ship is consistently good, from housekeeping to dining room staff to guest services. The crew members seem genuinely happy to be there, which creates a positive atmosphere that's noticeable from the moment you board. The ship's size works in its favor, large enough to offer variety and amenities, but small enough that you don't feel lost or anonymous. You can walk from one end to the other in a reasonable amount of time, and you start recognizing fellow passengers by the second day. The attention to detail in public spaces and staterooms shows that Celebrity cares about the guest experience beyond just maximizing capacity. The artwork is thoughtful, the furniture is comfortable, and the layout makes sense from a passenger perspective. Areas for improvement include some of the specialty dining pricing, which feels steep even by cruise standards. The Wi-Fi, while functional, is slow and expensive compared to what you'd expect in today's connected world. What truly sets Celebrity Millennium apart from its competitors is the focus on what they call modern luxury upscale experiences that don't require formal wear or pretentious attitudes. You can feel sophisticated while still being comfortable. The ship's partnership with renowned chefs and wine experts brings legitimate expertise rather than just cruise ship marketing. The difference is noticeable in both food quality and beverage programs throughout the ship. The Real Grass Lawn Club on the top deck is unique among cruise ships and provides a genuinely different experience. Whether you're playing lawn games or just enjoying the unusual sensation of real grass at sea, it's a memorable feature. The ship's art collection includes pieces from recognized artists rather than generic cruise ship decorations. The collection is integrated thoughtfully throughout public spaces, creating visual interest without feeling like a museum. Celebrity's approach to entertainment focuses on quality over quantity. Instead of non-stop activities competing for your attention, they offer fewer options that are genuinely worth your time. For business travelers or groups, Celebrity Millennium offers meeting spaces and conference facilities that actually function properly. The business center provides necessary services without feeling like an afterthought. The meeting rooms can accommodate various group sizes and include proper audiovisual equipment that works reliably. The staff understands business needs and can coordinate catering and setup requirements efficiently. Conference facilities include high-speed internet access and technical support, which are essential for any serious business functions. The spaces are professional without being sterile, maintaining the ship's overall aesthetic while serving practical needs. Some of the most memorable experiences on Celebrity Millennium come from unexpected moments of exceptional service. Passengers frequently mention crew members who went above and beyond normal expectations to solve problems or create special experiences. Stories include housekeeping staff who noticed anniversary celebrations and left congratulatory towel animals, or dining room servers who remembered dietary restrictions without being reminded every meal. These personal touches create lasting positive memories. The guest services team handles problems proactively rather than defensively. When issues arise, and they do on any cruise, the focus is on solutions rather than explanations of why something went wrong. Many passengers return to Celebrity Millennium specifically because of relationships they've built with crew members who remember them from previous cruises. This level of personal service is increasingly rare in the cruise industry. The ship's commitment to environmental responsibility, while not perfect, shows genuine effort rather than just marketing speak. From waste reduction programs to energy-efficient systems, they're making measurable improvements. Celebrity Millennium represents a thoughtful approach to cruising that prioritizes guest experience over maximum capacity. While it may not have the flashiest features or newest gimmicks, it delivers consistently on the fundamentals that make cruises enjoyable. For travelers who appreciate quality service, good food, and a sophisticated atmosphere without stuffiness, this ship offers excellent value and memorable experiences.